Welcome back to 100 Days of Java. Today we are going to learn about arrays. Don't worry if it sounds like a big word, I'll explain everything. So, what's an array? Imagine you're tracking how much money you spend on each day of a week. Day 1 if you spend 10, day 2 15, day 3 9 and so on. Normally in Java you write like this. In day 1 equal to 10, in day 2 equal to 15, day 3 equal to 9, day 4 equal to 12. That's 7 different variables. Messy, right? Instead, Java lets us store all these numbers in one long box that has 7 sections. That's called an array. Example, school locus. Think of an array like locus in a school hallway. Locker 0, $10 day 1. Locker 1, $15 day 2. Locker 2, $9 day 3. And so on. Every locker has a number called an index. Indexes start at 0, not 1. So the first locker is 0, second is 1, last locker is 6. So how to make an array? Int expense is equal to new int 7. This means in int we will only store all numbers. Expenses is the name of our array. New int 7 is 7 slots for 7 days. So for storing expenses 0 equal to 10, that's day 1. Expenses 1, 15, 2, 9, 3, 12, 4, 20, 5, 5, 6, 30. That's day 7. So let's write a program to track our weekly expenses. Public class weekly expense tracker. Public static void main string args int expenses 10, 15, 9, 12, 20, 5, 30. In total equal to 0. System.out.println your weekly expenses. For int I equal to 0, I less than expenses.length I plus plus. System.out.println day plus I plus 1 plus dollar expenses of I. Total plus equal to expenses of I. System.out.println total for the week equal to dollar plus total. So the output will be your weekly expenses day 1 10, day 2 15, day 3 9, day 4 12. Total for week equal to 101.